Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace upper control arm Ford F150 easy method. Start by gathering sockets, wrenches, a torque wrench, jack stands, and penetrating oil. Loosen lug nuts while the truck is still on the ground. Lift the front with a jack and secure on stands. Remove the front wheel to expose the upper control arm. Inspect ball joint and bushing condition before unbolting for replacement with the new arm. Begin by disconnecting any sway bar link or bracket that blocks access to the upper control arm. Support the spindle and use a ball joint separator or puller to release the joint safely. Keep the arm supported with a jack or pry bar while you remove the mounting bolts. Carefully lower the arm and note bolt orientation and hardware for reinstallation. Clean mounting surfaces and compare old parts to the new replacement arm. Place the new upper control arm into position and start bolts by hand to keep proper alignment freedom. Reattach the ball joint to the spindle and torque all fasteners to specified values with a torque wrench. Reinstall any brackets or sway bar links you removed earlier. Lower the truck off jack stands, torque lug nuts to spec, and drive slowly to feel for handling improvements. Schedule a professional alignment if steering drifts or tires wear unevenly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.